Welcome back. Now it's time to see what are dictionary comprehension. In Python, dictionary comprehension is a concise way to create dictionaries by transforming an iterable, such as a list, a tuple, or another dictionary, into a dictionary using a single line of code. It's similar to list comprehensions, but is used for creating dictionaries. And the general syntax is, let me put a comment here, is this. This is the general syntax key, and here it should say not value, expression. So this is the general form. Now, suppose you have a list of fruits and you want to create a dictionary where the fruit is the key and its length is the value. For that, I'm gonna go down here. I'll type fruits equals to, I'm gonna create a list, apple, banana, and cherry. Now, to create a dictionary using dictionary comprehension, we type here fruit length equals curly braces, the key fruit, colon, here we're gonna put our expression, but first I'm gonna type here for fruit in fruits. Now let's put the expression which is gonna generate the value here. So I'm gonna type len fruit, so the length of the fruit should be fruit, not fruits. Okay, let's go down here. I'll type print fruit lengths, and if you run this, now we have a dictionary: apple 5, banana 6, cherry 6. So this is how you can use dictionary comprehensions with lists. Next, let's see how you can convert this dictionary using dictionary comprehensions to convert those values to Celsius. So I'm going to type here cities in C, and it's going to be equal to curly braces, key, colon, I'm gonna put here parentheses, I'm gonna come back to that. I'm gonna type here for key value in cities Fahrenheit dot items. Now let's take care of the expression which is gonna convert this. So I'm gonna type here value minus 32 times parentheses 5 divided by 9, and let's surround both of those in parentheses. So parentheses here and parentheses here. Now if I type here print cities in Fahrenheit and print cities in Celsius. Now if I run this, we get apple, banana, I have Boston, and we have this decimal part. So let me get rid of that. To get rid of that, I'm gonna put here round. Now if I run this, we get 75 in Celsius, we have 24 for Boston. For Los Angeles we have 100 in Fahrenheit, we have 38 in Celsius, and so on. So this is what this dictionary comprehension is doing, and it's very nice. Next, what I can do, I can delete this. Let's delete the round, and I can type here the string warm, and I'm gonna check to see if So I'm gonna type if value is greater than equal to 40, else I'm gonna put cold. So now if I run this, get Boston warm, Los Angeles warm, Texas warm, New York cold. So this is what it's doing. You can put an if and an else here, because this is an expression, so we can put whatever expression you want here. Okay, now let's change this to desk underscore cities, and let's call it here. Let's delete this. Now let's add a function here. So I'm gonna delete this. Let's delete this, and I'll go up. Let me comment those lines. Let's comment this too, and I'll type here def check temp. It's gonna receive a value, and I'll type here if value greater than equal to 17, return hot. Else if value, let's say, is between 69 okay, so I'm gonna put here if, else if 69 greater than equal to value. So if 69 is greater than equal to value, or greater than equal to 40, then we're gonna say return warm. Else return cold. Now here where you have the expression, I'm gonna type check temp, and we're gonna pass the value. Alright, if I run this, you have a problem. ctcnf is not defined. Okay, I should uncomment this. Now if I run this, get Boston hot, Los Angeles hot, Texas warm, New York cold. So our code works fine. Okay, let's rename this to, this is the end of the video, but let's rename this to cities. And this is our discussion about dictionary comprehensions. I hope that you got a lot from this video, and I'll see you in the next video.